The Honorable Nyikar. He has left. The Honorable Irene Mayaka.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I stand to support this particular motion by my minority leader, the Honorable Junette. And Honorable Speaker, even as I speak, I'm a very sad person. Because, Honorable Speaker, first of all, the former Deputy President needs to be sued for destroying the image of Christmas in the children of this country, equating the 2007 post-election violence to a Christmas party. Honorable Speaker, those of us who have family members that had their homes ruined in Kericho, they had to walk all the way to Nyamira. We had a family whose home was destroyed in Kisumu. They had to walk all the way back to Kisii because of what happened in 2007. Honorable Speaker, we have people, Kenyans who were in Naivasha, Kenyans who were in the Rift Valley, who lost their homes, some who got burned. Very serious things happened within that particular time. People are still suffering from the injuries, both emotionally and physically, that happened to them in 2007. So to hear the former Deputy President speaking about that that would have been just a Christmas party, he's already preempting to us as a country that we will go back to that kind of anarchy. Honorable Speaker, the children who were born in that year, 2007, are now turning 18 years old. You can imagine how that would feel to these children come the year 2027, and then we are told that whatever happened before will be like a Christmas party. And Honorable Speaker, I'm just imagining that this same person was summoned to go and speak to the things that he said, and he refused. He is not listening to the rule of law. He does not plan to obey the rule of law. What kind of example is that kind of leader giving to our young people in this country? Honorable Speaker, the reason why we have the Supreme Court in place, the reason why we have allocation for anyone who is aggrieved by the elections, by the general election to go to the Supreme Court, is because we are a country of rule of law. Kenya has been a very fantastic example to the rest of the African countries and the rest of the world in how we manage our political process. So, Honorable Speaker, as I speak here, I just want to really support this motion because I cannot imagine in any way as a country, as the young people of this country, that we can be taken back to what happened in 2007. And anyone who supports that kind of utterances, Honorable Speaker, I'd just like to say to them, shame on you. I support.
The Honorable Murugara, member for Tharaka.
Thank you.